Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a fun one. This is a 1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Beautiful car. Has been refurbished not too long ago, pretty recent. Very nice car. It's got the Cadillac 500 motor in it. Appears to have been rebuilt. Looks pretty nice under the hood and the engine bay. I've got a bunch of pictures under there. Nice and cleaned up. New tires, those are 3.5-inch white walls. Power top, it does work. Eldorado, this car has been repainted and the paint is very, very nice. There's one small spot imperfection on the hood. You kind of got to hit it at the right angle to see it. I'll try to get a close-up of that. And there might be a little chip here and there where the lights meet up front. I gotta go back and look, but this is all real nice. The doors look really good. Smooth car, starts right up. The bumpers appear to be new. No corrosion or anything like that. The headlight bezels as well. Here's that little paint chip. I could probably find some red to touch that up. But these bezels are also very nice and new looking. All the chrome bright work looks great. Does have a Bluetooth radio in it. It does work. Glides down the highway with ease. Very fun car. Cranks right up. Go ahead and hit the key here. There you go. It's good and smooth. Sounds good. It's got 5 seat belts in it that also look like they have been recently installed. They look too new. And all this interior has been redone, and it just looks like it's in excellent shape. Somebody spent some money on this one. No cracks in the dash. I believe that has also been redone. Steering wheel is original. It tilts and telescopes. Nice carpeting. Kick panels look great. Door panels very nice. You can have your original little wood carved inlays there. Power windows, they do work. When they're up, they probably need a little bit of adjustment. I don't think they're going to be waterproof for you, but this isn't the kind of car that you take out on a rainy day. So it's a beautiful car. Starts right up. Doesn't have any oil leaks. All the tail lights work, the blinkers work, the headlights work. Go ahead and turn those on real quick. The corner lights look really nice when they're on. Pull those out. Well, it's gonna be kind of hard to see in the day here, but headlights are working. Yeah, these corner lights light up at night. They're real nice. You can kind of see it there, but not dark enough. Very smooth driving car. Driven, put about 15 miles on it so far. It's been a little bit bad weather. I hope to get some more time in this weekend, but so far I don't see any major issues. It stops great on a dime. No problems there. Cruises on the highway. Give us a call, text us, email. I've got undercarriage pictures on the website. Gorgeous undercarriage, no signs of rust whatsoever. Very nice and clean. You can follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. I can do deals long distance, no problem. I can ship it to your door. We can deal with any bank that you like if you need financing. Of course, cash deals are always welcome. So I hope to hear from you guys soon on this one. Beautiful car, 1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible.